Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make rainbow bagels using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients, including 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and your favorite gel food colorings. Next, prepare the dough by mixing these ingredients with 1 1/4 cups of warm water, then knead it until it is smooth and elastic. Finally, divide the dough into 5 or 6 equal portions, ready for coloring. Now it's time for the fun part, coloring the dough. Take each divided dough portion and add a few drops of a different gel food coloring. Knead each portion thoroughly until the color is evenly distributed and vibrant. Once colored, roll each individual dough portion into a long, thin rope, approximately 12 inches in length. Then, carefully combine these colorful ropes by gently pressing them together side by side, creating a beautiful striped pattern. With your colorful dough ropes combined, gently twist them together to create a spiral effect. Then, form each twisted rope into a classic bagel shape, ensuring the ends are securely pinched together. Place the shaped bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet and let them rest for about 10 minutes, allowing them to rise slightly. Next, boil the bagels in a large pot of simmering water for approximately 1 minute on each side, which helps create that signature chewy texture. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet and bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once baked, let your vibrant rainbow bagels cool completely on a wire rack before slicing them open and adding your favorite cream cheese or toppings. They're perfect for a fun breakfast or brunch. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.